first cast. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I never had that happen to me before. Let me see if I can get this one right here. Get it back in real quick. There we go. Nice. It's a nice one. Nice one, nice one, nice one. There we go. Third one of the day if he stays on. This is weird coming. Whoa. A small guy. That's his first schoolie of the year. I didn't catch too many schoolies this year. Small schoolie. It's a bass that's like 11 inches, just under keeper size. Right after that one. Whoa. He might be gut hooked. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's hooked. It's a nice one. Like, get him. Whoa. Wow, look at this. No, he's hooked right in that jaw. That was a nice bass. It's number 4 today. Beautiful day. That's a nice bass. Really nice. But yeah. If you guys see that really good, I don't know. Jumping. I didn't even have time to put the GoPro on because I want to get a good hook set. Ooh. There we go. Oh, yes. That's number 5 already. And it's not even freaking 5 o'clock yet. There's something right below me, too. They're like probably 12 inches. Just turned on. I just caught this guy. He was right at the boat. That's 6 for today. It's a nice bass. Nice bass. Nice. I thought it was a bass. It's a huge bluegill. Whoa. That is a big bluegill. Wow. Oh, there it was. I don't stop moving. Look at that. That's huge. Or freshwater tuna. GoPro? Okay. I didn't know my GoPro's on or what. Whoa, that's 7. That's pretty decent, honestly. That's a nice one there. Nice bass. Get him back in. Whoa, flip. Yes. Little pike. Oh, he might cut me. That's why that big pike. It's just I don't want him cutting me off. So that's what I'm he's hooked really good. That's why I'm just kind of like letting him kind of do his thing. I want to get him in. Wow, a small one. I haven't getting like a small pike this year. Last year I was getting a nice one. So, okay, he swallowed it. I want to try to get him off. Small little guy. Got my lure back this time, not like the other time. Look at that little guy. Nope. Something decent. It's coming right at me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Pike. I think it's a bass. He's fighting like a pike. Or maybe it is a pike. No, it's a larger. I think he gut hooked it. Yep. Oh yeah, that's the nicest of the day for bass. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. That's a really nice fairly. Wow. That's why you keep tension at all times. Look at that. That's a nice bass. Really nice bass. Get him back in. Wow. He fought good. Fought like a pike. Nice fish. Very, very nice fish. They're nice. Ooh. There we go. I don't know why I'm playing my GoPro. Oh, it slid right into me. Nice, nice, nice. That's a nice bass. Nice, really, really nice bass. Get him back in. Get him back in. Come on. Oh, he's right here. That's 10. I just lost one just before this, too. A bigger one. A little bit bigger. Not like really big. Your typical bass. That's our schoolie. Getting them schoolies today. I've been losing so many fish lately. Like, I mean, and one's big ones. He's gonna jump. Watch, look at that. That is not, that's how you make them not jump. Right there. Something's dead. It might be a grass carp. They die every like so many years, like their age. They only live to a certain weird or non-reproductive fish. It's a nice one, but it's something I lost. I don't know. Man, that pissed me off. That was a nice fish, whatever I lost. I don't know what it was, but hope he stays on. Man, oh my god. Really good. There we go. That's a nice one. I don't want to get too close to our shoreline, so I'm gonna nice 15-incher. Nice, nice, nice. Yes. Wow, that's a bass is fighting like a pike. He hit that as soon as it hit the water. I mean, I don't know how we didn't see that explosion. Man, these bass are like crazy, man. There we go, another nice fish. Nice. Let's get him back in. Hopefully he gets something big. I'll screw it up either. You know, he gut hooked it, that's why. I'm like, that was weird. I felt something hit it. Oh no, he's not gut hooked. Good. Wow, look how fat this thing. Whoa. Look how fat this thing is. Oh man. He was not getting off. He's bleeding too. That's a weird scenario. I'm gonna get back in. I think it actually was lodged in his throat and it came back out and hooked him again. I don't know what happened there. My God, they come at you anymore. Ever since I hooked that grass carp, if you guys watched the last season of HJL, everything's been coming at me anymore. Even the freaking trout I catch. Wow. There we go. Wow, that is where you want to hook a fish every single time. Shit. There we go. Oh, I hooked him again. A nice bass. Nice stocky bass. Oh, nice stocky bass. Good. I knew something. I don't know what he's staying on. Because we lost so many nice fish. Oh my God. Just don't pop up. Please don't pop up. Please don't. You don't take me around the whole boat. Oh my God. Don't jump. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. That's the biggest of the year. Almost like that one. Look at that thing. Whoa. That's a hog. That's a big fish. I'm gonna get a picture of my tat's up there. Nice. Let's go. I'm gonna get a camera on him too. Not. Alright guys, here's the bass right here. Nice. Really nice bass. We're gonna get him back in. I don't know if they're gonna drain this place or not, so we're actually gonna get him back in. So really nice fish. Really nice fish. Let's get him back in. Look at that. Nice bass. Get him back in. That's the last fish of the day. What a fat thing. Holy shit. There he goes. Nice. There we go. What a great day. What a great fish to end the day. Very good day. Caught a good amount of fish. Really good. I lost that one big fish. It pisses me off so much. I lost a lot of nice fish, but I also caught a lot of big fish this year too. So overall, great day, guys. At the home lake again. I don't know how many bass I caught. I really don't. Let's just say over a dozen, I think. So really good day. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.